On the site of one of the largest former steel mills in the world, a redevelopment project for a large logistics center is underway. Strategically positioned along the I-95 corridor, the development promises to transform the historic site into 15 million square feet of warehousing space and bring the community up to 10,000 new jobs. With eventual plans for 20 buildings, the developer is investing $1.6 billion in both construction and remediation of the once blighted site. The design engineer hired by the developer recommended an effective remediation and vapor mitigation plan to ensure the former brownfield site offers future tenants a safe and healthy environment to operate. Working with the design engineer and the developer, Land Science, a division of REGENESIS, assisted in the selection of a contaminant vapor barrier system to address any potential vapor intrusion issues.
Land Science tries to get involved pretty early on in the process, whether that's with the developer, with the design engineer, to really put up front what it's going to take to get the proper vapor barrier installed.
Land Science recommended MonoShield, a reinforced metallized contaminant vapor barrier system, and worked with MTM Inc., a trusted Land Science certified applicator, to install the vapor barrier system.
MTN has been a Land Science certified installer for over 15 years. We are very familiar with their products, installation techniques, and proper QA/QC methods. One of the benefits of partnering with a manufacturer like Land Science is that we get to work together to ensure that each project is implementing appropriate technologies to protect the indoor air environment.
MonoShield is proven to be a reliable choice for contaminant vapor intrusion mitigation, as it's faster to install and more durable than traditional tape systems.
There are two key points with the MonoShield system that set it apart from other barriers, and that's the chemical resistance and the constructability. For these large-scale industrial sites, when you have to meet a certain pour schedule of 60,000, 80,000 square feet a day like they're doing out here, the way that MonoShield is applied in the field really makes it a perfect use case for the site.
A site like this, for example, we're able to produce about 80,000 square feet per day with as little as 5 people on our crews. So it's not only saving time, but it's also saving money and efficiencies for the concrete crews, and then working hand in hand with the other trades in the project.
MonoShield offers a higher level of protection against vapor intrusion and is considered a great option for large warehouse applications like this. The advanced composite sheet incorporates a metallized film encased with layers of polyethylene low-permeance flexible polymers and the reinforcing grid, which is bonded to a geotextile on the underside. The unique spray-applied nitro-modified asphalt used to seal the seams, utility penetrations, and perimeter terminations also offers an increase in chemical resistance when compared to other spray-applied asphalt latex materials.
I enjoy the fact that we can go in and take unusable land and make it usable. It's actually quite rewarding that we're making a brown site a green site for the most part.
For this particular project that we're involved in, there's going to be 10 to 15 million square feet of industrial warehouse space built on this property. And that's going to lead to 5,000 to 10,000 new jobs for this community. So it's important to be a part of something like that, and it's very rewarding.
With construction nearing completion and the success of the MonoShield installation, the development team has plans to continue to incorporate MonoShield in future phases of the redevelopment project. To learn more about MonoShield and Land Science's full suite of vapor mitigation solutions, visit www.landsciencetech.com.